In a village near a vast forest, there lived a young boy named Samir. Samir was fascinated by stories of hidden treasures and long-lost riches. One day, an old traveler passed through the village and told tales of a hidden treasure buried deep in the forest. Samir's imagination was ignited, and he decided to find this treasure. Samir's friends laughed at him. "You'll never find it," they said. "The forest is too big, and the treasure is just a myth," but Samir was determined. He gathered supplies, studied old maps, and set out into the forest. Each day, he explored a different part of the forest, carefully marking his path and taking notes of anything unusual he found. He faced many challenges: dense thickets, steep hills, and wild animals, but he never gave up. The weeks turned into months, and Samir's friends forgot about his quest. They moved on to other interests, while Samir continued his search with unwavering determination. Every evening, he returned to the village with stories of his adventures, but no treasure. One autumn evening, as the sun was setting, Samir noticed a peculiar rock formation he hadn't seen before. Intrigued, he dug around the base of the rocks. To his amazement, he unearthed an old, weathered chest. His heart raced as he opened it, revealing gold coins, jewels, and ancient artifacts. Samir rushed back to the village with the treasure. His friends and the villagers were astonished. They gathered around, marveling at the treasure and congratulating Samir. One of his friends asked, "How did you do it? We all thought it was impossible." Samir smiled and said, "I believed in the stories and was patient. I knew that if I kept searching and never gave up, I would find it." Good things come to those who wait. The villagers were inspired by Samir's persistence and patience. They realized that achieving great things often required time and effort. Samir's story became a lesson for everyone in the village, reminding them that patience, dedication, and hard work could lead to remarkable rewards. From that day on, the village changed. People took on challenges with more patience and determination. They understood that true success didn't come overnight, but through consistent effort and belief in their goals. Samir's treasure hunt became a symbol of hope and perseverance, teaching everyone that all good things come to those who wait. Hit the like button if you like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel Knowledge Infinity Tamil. Click the bell icon for more inspirational tales and moral stories.